Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Seth Julian, welcoming you to today's morning coffee briefing. We're going to take a look at Boeing just because we have to, but we're going to focus on Tesla today. Today, the company is going to open and roll out the first cars from its Berlin megaplant. Now, remember, these guys are giving Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, General Motors, and every one of the Toyota, of course, every car company on earth a run for their money, and they're in the pole position to beat them on electric vehicles. Now, the company obviously has had a great market cap history, as this chart shows, but you can see from about last November till now, the company has been in decline. Now, it's taken a nice jump up in the last, call it, week of trading, and we think it's going to go higher. But this is, to break out of this range, it would have to reach, at least 1,067, and currently it's at 920. So that's a good jump, but it could do it. It's trading at just average volume right now, so it's in a choppy downward trend, but it looks like it's going to be breaking that trend. And if you don't own Tesla, this is a good time to buy it. You should have some of it in your portfolio. It's fairly volatile, but as we say, this company is damn serious. He wants to colonize Mars, for goodness sake. He's captured the imagination of investors around the world because he's a shrewd, smart, aggressive business person who delivers. And this price rise shows that. It broke just above the 200-day moving average 2 days ago. It's It's actually broken the 20 and the 50-day moving average. So it's headed up. It's trading at average volume. So we think there's a lot more room here. And the opening of the mega plant that's going to deliver, that was built certainly, I think, in a year and a half, and they're going to outproduce Volkswagen in electric cars. And keep in mind, Volkswagen has more money than God. It's a deep-pocketed, very powerful auto manufacturer around the world. I think it's the #1 auto manufacturer by volume in the world. They're going to give these guys a run for their money. So not that it's you don't want to totally bet against Toyota, General Motors, and Volkswagen, but you definitely want to be on board with Tesla. The other thing I do want to point out before we end today is this unfortunate tragedy. This is the Boeing Corporation. Now, yesterday they had one of their planes fell out of the sky, and that's always a tragedy. Unfortunately, it's a 737 MAX, or one of the 737 iterations, of which there have been dozens since that plane has been flying in service for over 50 years. It's gone through many upgrades. Anyway, it's been doomed, and so are the passengers on that plane. China Eastern Air, one of China's big carriers. So Boeing is likely to be a good shorting opportunity, unfortunately. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we're going to close today's session. Look for Tesla up. They're introducing their first cars out of the Berlin mega plant today, so it should be a good ride. I'm your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all, ladies and gentlemen, the ability to trade with confidence. Bye-bye for now.